Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to upload 3-minute videos on Instagram Reels. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So if you have a long video on your gallery on your device, what you can do for upload on Reels, it's going to the plus symbol, okay, and then just go to Reels. And if you select, there are videos that are long. In this case, you can select a long video. For example, I will select this one and just click on add, and you can select another one and then just click on next. This is a post, okay? So let's change to the reel, okay? So let's go back and then just click here, and then I will select reel, okay? Let's back here and let's select reel. Okay, now you can select the reel that you prefer. And here is the reel. As you can see, you can add more clips. This clip is for 2 minutes, so let's add another one. And now you can see that automatically trim to 3 minutes. That is the longest way to upload a reel, and then just click on next. If you want to edit your reel, you can do it, and then just can edit cover, attack people, add location, running audio, whatever you prefer, and then just click on next to upload it. So that is the way to upload a reel for 3 minutes on Instagram, as you can see. And if you prefer, what you can save or you can upload already. So let's save it, and that's it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and to turn up to this video.